Hello everyone and welcome to our video on the top 5 best electric kettles of 2023. A good electric kettle is an essential item for anyone who loves a hot cup of tea or coffee. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 5 electric kettles that are available in 2023. We've tested each of these kettles for their features, performance, durability, and price. So, let's get started. Number 1. Breville Smart Kettle. Our first pick is the Breville Smart Kettle. This kettle is a great choice for those who love a perfect cup of tea or coffee. It features a variable temperature control system, which allows you to select the ideal temperature for your drink. The kettle heats up quickly and efficiently, and it can hold up to 1.7 liters of water. The Breville Smart Kettle is also designed with safety in mind. It has an auto shut-off feature that turns off the kettle when the water has reached boiling point. It also has a boil-dry protection system that prevents the kettle from overheating and damaging the heating element. One of the standout features of this kettle is its LED display, which shows the temperature of the water in real time. This feature allows you to monitor the temperature and ensure that your drink is brewed to perfection. Number 2. Cuisinart Perfect Temp Electric Kettle. Our second pick is the Cuisinart Perfect Temp Electric Kettle. This kettle is another great choice for those who want a perfect cup of tea or coffee. It features a 6 preset temperature control system, which allows you to select the ideal temperature for your drink. The Cuisinart Perfect Temp Electric Kettle is also designed with safety in mind. It has an auto shut-off feature that turns off the kettle when the water has reached boiling point. It also has a boil-dry protection system that prevents the kettle from overheating and damaging the heating element. One of the standout features of this kettle is its Keep Warm function, which maintains the temperature of the water for up to 30 minutes. This feature allows you to enjoy a second cup of tea or coffee without having to reheat the water. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Glass Electric Kettle. Our third pick is the Hamilton Beach Glass Electric Kettle. This kettle is a great choice for those who want a stylish and durable kettle at an affordable price. It features a 1.7-liter capacity and a powerful heating element that heats up water quickly and efficiently. The Hamilton Beach Glass Electric Kettle is also designed with safety in mind. It has an auto shut-off feature that turns off the kettle when the water has reached boiling point. It also has a boil-dry protection system that prevents the kettle from overheating and damaging the heating element. One of the standout features of this kettle is its blue LED light, which illuminates the water as it boils. This feature adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen and makes it easy to monitor the water level. Number 4. Smeg Electric Kettle. Our fourth pick is the Smeg Electric Kettle. This kettle is a great choice for those who want a retro-inspired design that adds a touch of style to their kitchen. It features a 1.7-liter capacity and a powerful heating element that heats up water quickly and efficiently. The Smeg Electric Kettle is also designed with safety in mind. It has an auto shut-off feature that turns off the kettle when the water has reached boiling point. It also has a boil-dry protection system that prevents the kettle from overheating and damaging the heating element. One of the standout features of this kettle is its stainless steel body, which is available in a range of colors. This feature allows you to choose a color that matches your kitchen decor or personal style. Additionally, the Smeg Electric Kettle has a removable, washable stainless steel limescale filter that helps to keep your water free from impurities and prolong the life of the kettle. Another unique feature of the Smeg Electric Kettle is its soft opening lid, which slowly releases steam and prevents splashing when the kettle is opened. This feature adds to the safety and convenience of the kettle. Number 5. OXO Brew Cordless Glass Electric Kettle. Our fifth and final pick is the OXO Brew Cordless Glass Electric Kettle. This kettle is a great choice for those who want a durable and easy-to-use kettle. It features a 1.75-liter capacity and a powerful heating element that heats up water quickly and efficiently. The OXO Brew Cordless Glass Electric Kettle is also designed with safety in mind. It has an auto shut-off feature that turns off the kettle when the water has reached boiling point. It also has a boil-dry protection system that prevents the kettle from overheating and damaging the heating element. One of the standout features of this kettle is its clear borosilicate glass body, which allows you to see the water level and the heating element. This feature also makes it easy to clean the kettle and keep it free from impurities. The OXO Brew cordless glass electric kettle also has a comfortable, non-slip handle and a drip-free spout, which makes it easy to pour hot water without spilling or splashing. Additionally, the kettle's base has a cord wrap that keeps the cord out of the way when not in use. In conclusion, we have presented the top 5 best electric kettles of 2023, each with its unique features and advantages. Whether you're looking for a variable temperature control system, a keep warm function, a stylish design, or a clear glass body, there's an electric kettle on this list that will meet your needs. When choosing an electric kettle, it's important to consider factors such as capacity, speed, safety features, and price. We hope that this video has helped you make an informed decision on which electric kettle to choose. If you want to buy any product, the Amazon link is the description and comments. Check it out now. Thank you for watching and happy brewing.